June! Oh no! The cup is tipping!
I see it! It's sliding off the table!
Grab it! It's falling!
I can't reach it!
Hey kids, I brought the egg. Woo!
Dad, stop! Don't step there!
Okay, Jake. This year we start a real tradition.
Tradition? Like something we keep doing every year?
Yes, something special that becomes our thing.
Like giant Sunday pancakes?
Exactly! But today it's about vibrant eggs.
Vibrant? Super bright and bold colors?
Yes, colors that almost pop out at you.
I want ours so bright they glow!
Let's see. First, we protect the table with newspapers.
Protect? Like building armor for the table?
Yes, just in case the dye spills.
Spill? You think that could happen?
Only if someone gets careless.
I'm not careless. I'm focused.
Good, because one drop on that rug would be a disaster.
Disaster? Like huge, messy trouble?
Exactly. So stay sharp, okay?
But, why eggs anyway?
Mom says it's symbolism.
Symbolism? Something small meaning something big?
Yes, the egg stands for new life in spring.
And Easter is a commemoration for us.
Commemoration? Like remembering something important?
Yes, honoring a special event in our faith.
Honoring, showing love and respect.
Exactly. We celebrate hope and new beginnings.
So the eggs are like tiny hope reminders?
That's a sweet way to say it.
I like that. Hope inside a shell.
Shell, strong outside, important inside.
Just like us sometimes.
That sounds deep.
Deep? Like meaningful?
Yes, meaningful and important. I've already used some big words today, haven't I? Don't worry, stay with us till the end and we'll review them all.
Okay, pay attention. This is our strategy.
Strategy? Our smart plan to win brightest eggs?
Yes, the crayon is wax. Wax blocks dye.
Blocks? Like building a tiny wall?
Exactly. The dye can't cross the wax.
So where I draw stays white.
Yes, like a secret message hidden under color.
I'm drawing the strongest J ever.
Press hard, but don't crack it.
Careful strength. I've got it.
Once we dip it, the design appears.
Appears? Like magic reveal?
Yes, like surprise art.
Nothing can ruin this plan.
Just keep the cup steady.
They're steady. Totally steady.
All right, kids, I'm handling logistics now.
Logistics? The how and where plan?
Exactly. I move eggs into smart hiding spots.
Under flower pots and hollow logs.
Yes, and behind the garden bench, too.
That's sneaky. We'll need perseverance?
Perseverance means not quitting when it's hard.
Even if I search forever?
Especially then.
How many eggs this year?
48 eggs in total?
48? That's a bonanza?
Yes, bonanza means a whole lot at once.
I love a whole lot at once.
Good. Be ready for tomorrow.
Jake, why did that cup move?
It didn't move. Wait, maybe it did.
It's sliding. Oh no, it's sliding toward the rug.
Grab it before gravity wins!
I can't! My hands are slippery!
It's tipping! It's past saving! It looks like grape soda exploded in a snowstorm!
It's glowing neon! That's not normal!
Hey kids, I brought the egg. Woo!
Dad, watch out!
Incoming eggs! Take cover!
This is a catastrophe!
Catastrophe! Huge, messy disaster everywhere!
My logistics just crashed into your strategy.
Crashed? Like smashed together badly?
Exactly like that.
Whoa, don't leave yet though. We've used some big words today, and we're gonna review them all at the very end. She's here. Oh no, level 10 face activated.
Level 10? Like super serious mode?
Yes, big eyes, deep breathing, no smiling at all.
Nobody move.
I'm not moving. I'm basically a statue right now.
We need cooperation right now.
Cooperation? Teamwork? To fix this fast?
Yes, no blaming, only action.
Okay, I'll gather the eggshell debris first.
Debris? Broken bits everywhere, right?
Exactly. Every tiny piece matters.
I'll relocate these purple sneakers immediately.
Relocate? Move them away fast before more damage?
Exactly. Before the stain spreads more.
Baking soda is bubbling! It's actually lifting the stain!
Good. Keep scrubbing. Persistence matters here.
Persistence? Not stopping even when you're tired?
Yes, you keep going, even when it's hard.
Then we're not quitting. Not today. Whoa! This yard is packed with eggs!
It's a total bonanza out here!
Bonanza means a huge amount all at once!
Look at that golden eggs! Perfect camouflage!
Camouflage! Blending in so well you almost miss it?
Exactly. My logistics were strong today.
Logistics worked better outside than inside. Hey, we learned from yesterday's situation.
Everyone smile! It's commemoration photo time!
Commemoration! Remembering this day forever, right?
Yes, the whole day, even the purple chaos part.
Especially the purple chaos. That was almost a catastrophe.
Catastrophe? Super huge, messy disaster?
The biggest kind. But we survived it.
My sneakers might stay purple forever, though.
Forever? Like permanent style now?
Permanent means it's not coming off, right?
Looks that way. Purple is my new personality.
Same tradition next year, but smarter planning.
With safer cups and stronger shields.
And zero catastrophes, hopefully.
Happy Easter!
Today's vocabulary recap. Tradition, something we do every year. Symbolism, one thing meaning another. Commemoration, remembering something special. Strategy, a smart plan. Logistics, planning how things move. Perseverance, keep trying. Bonanza, a huge amount. Camouflage, hard to see because it blends. Cooperation, working together. Persistence, keep going, don't stop. Bye everyone, see you next time.